The Safe Nurse Staffing Levels Bill is currently being considered by the Health and Social Care Committee of the National Assembly for Wales. One of the main things this bill is trying to do is to change the law in Wales to make sure that there is a safe level of nurses working in our hospitals. The Assembly member bringing forward this bill thinks that this will result in the provision of safe, effective and quality nursing care to patients at all times. In the first instance, this part of the bill would only apply to adult inpatient wards in our acute hospitals. Our job is to consider whether this bill should become law, or whether there are better ways to achieve the same aim without the need for law. To help us do this, we will be asking health professionals, service providers, patients and the Minister responsible for health in Wales to give us their views. We're also interested to know what you think. Your voice is important to us. During our lifetimes, most of us will spend time in hospital, either as a patient or visiting our friends and loved ones. As such, it is important that we consider carefully the arrangements to staff our hospital wards and to provide the best care for those in need. For more information about our committee's work on this bill, you can visit our website.